In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Reader. Adobe Reader, or Adobe Acrobat Reader, is a free and trusted software solution that allows you to view, print, and interact with all kinds of PDF documents. Whether you're reviewing an important business file or simply reading through a digital magazine, this tool is indispensable. Today, I'll guide you through the very straightforward process of downloading it onto your computer, ensuring that you can easily access and enjoy all your PDF files without a hitch. Let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser on your computer. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar. This is typically located at the very top of your window. In the search bar, type in Adobe Reader and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will initiate a web search, bringing up a list of results related to Adobe Reader. As you examine the search results, you're looking specifically for the official Adobe website link. Most likely, it will be titled something like Download Adobe Acrobat Reader, Free PDF Viewer. It's important to select the official site to ensure you are downloading the correct and latest version straight from Adobe. This also protects your computer from any potentially malicious programs that might be lurking on unofficial sites. Once you've found the official link, click on it. This will redirect you to Adobe's official website, specifically to the Adobe Reader download page. Here, you'll find additional information about Adobe Reader, its functionalities, and any new features or updates Adobe has recently released. On this page, you'll see a prominent button that says Download Acrobat Reader. It's typically a brightly colored button, so it should catch your eye immediately. Click on this button to begin the downloading process. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your computer saves downloaded files by default. Here, you'll find the installer program you just downloaded, often named Acrobat Reader Setup.exe or something similar. Double-click on the installer to start the installation process. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation, making sure to allow any permissions that the program might require. And there you have it. Adobe Reader is now installed on your computer. You can now open any PDF document by simply double-clicking it, and Adobe Reader will automatically become the default program for viewing PDFs. If you're new to Adobe Reader, don't hesitate to explore its tools and options. It offers a variety of useful features that make interacting with PDFs a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy reading!